Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You'll start by confirming your laptop meets basic requirements: OS, GPU support, and free disk space. Next, download a reputable live wallpaper app. Choose one optimized for laptops. Once done, run the installer and grant the app permissions it requests for startup and background activity. Make sure to close unnecessary apps while installing to avoid conflicts. Finally, restart the app and open its library. You're ready for the first wallpaper import and configuration step, which we'll do now. You'll import your chosen file or pick from the apps library. Use MP4 or WebM for best performance. Once the asset is loaded, configure playback. Set loop, scale mode, and target resolution to match your display. Then adjust performance sliders, lower CPU usage if battery is a concern, or enable GPU decoding for smoother playback. Make sure to assign the wallpaper to the correct monitor and toggle audio sync only if you want sound tied to the animation. Save the profile. Finish by enabling auto start so your live wallpaper loads at boot. Test with a quick reboot to confirm persistence. If you notice stuttering or reduced battery life, make adjustments. Lower playback resolution, disable audio, or limit background CPU. For display issues, update graphics drivers and check app permissions. If wallpapers won't load, clear the app cache, re-import the file, or reinstall the app. One key tip: if nothing works, try running the app as administrator to resolve permission-related failures.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.